Hello dear students, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is Olympic Value Education. In this chapter we will be discussing about the Olympics and different games played in Olympics and different personalities those are involved in the Olympic games, famous ones. So these all things we will discuss in the chapter. Actually this chapter is related to the history of Olympics and how it has been evaluated. So its evolution we will study in this chapter, everything. So this chapter is very important as it tells us the history of Olympic Games and other things, and it is a link between modern Olympics and ancient Olympics. So study this chapter very seriously and pay your attention whenever we discuss about the things. So first of all I tell you the Olympic Games, modern Olympic Games. Modern Olympic Games started in 776 BC. Sorry, ancient Olympic Games. We will discuss first. It started in 776 BC. You know where it was started? In Athens, in Greece. It is a city of Greece, okay, in 776 BC. And the origin of Olympic Games belong to the same country, Greece. Ancient Olympic Games when participated in prehistoric period also, okay. And prehistoric means which don't have any written records. So before the history itself it was started. So you can understand the importance of games and other things in ancient time also. Okay, nowadays it is very evident, you can see. But ancient time also the games were very important and people used to participate in different kinds of games. And these Olympics also were in trend. So and continued for many centuries as Greece Festival. It was not named as the Olympic Games, but it was celebrated as the Greece Festival. Greece Festival. Okay, it started in 776 BC in Greece. So these games were played in the state of Athens, near the valley of Aphor river at Olympiad. Okay, the games were held with religious customs in the honor of god Zeus. Okay, god Zeus. In his honor, they play the games annually. Every year they play. The ceremony of Olympic Games begins from the new moon day in July. And nowadays also the same custom is being followed. In July it started from the new moon day. Okay, and after moon day, July after 4 years. After every 4 years it was being conducted. The event of Olympic continued for 5 days in precise order. Means it was the order was set and 5 days competitions were held and the athletes, the players used to participate different games on these 5 days. Okay, each game was given for the particular day. On the first day of games, the priest performed the rituals. Rituals means the customs related to that time. Okay, the priest supposed to perform and first perform. And the sacred torch. Nowadays also you can see the sacred torch. It was burned. Okay. On the next day, amphibians. Amphibians means animal games, Second day animal games was second day animal games means on the third day Dalos means foot races, Dolichos means chariot races and equestrians, and Panthalon combination of running, jumping, throwing. These all items were played on the third day. Okay. On the fourth day Pugilis means boxing, wrestling, sword fighting and other contact games were played on the fourth day. First day rituals, second day amphibians, third day Dallas, Dolichos and Panthalon, and fourth day Pugilis means boxing, wrestling, sword fighting or other contact games. These games were played. Okay. On the final day of closing ceremony, the prizes were given of the heroes of the table. Nowadays also you know those are the best ones. They are getting gold medals, second prize bronze medal, and third prize is silver medal, third prize is bronze medal. So earlier also it was given, but not in the form of medals. It was in the form of, I am telling you, the prizes given to the winners were made from the olive leaves. The famous heroes of these games were Homer, Atlas, Hercules, Galen, etc. Hercules, etc. name is very famous. Nowadays also we know that. Okay, so these are the famous heroes of that time, and still remembered in our on the stones engraved and written about them. Ancient Olympic Games came to a sudden end when the Roman Emperor Theodosius banned these games in the year 394 AD. Theodosius was the Roman emperor who suddenly decided to ban these games, and it was the year 394 AD. So the glory of these games vanished with time, as ruins are still present in the Olympiad. See those, it is still evident. You can see the sculptures, you can see the engraved stones where everything is written about these games and the heroes of these games. So these were things were played. Ancient Olympic Games started in 776 BC and it was sudden stop by the Roman Emperor Theodosius in the 394 AD. Okay. It was banned. Tomorrow's our discussion will be related to the modern Olympic Games and how it was started, who has given the effort to start those games, modern Olympic Games. These all things we'll be discussing tomorrow. Thank you.